Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and as promised I will be talking about XLOOKUP in this video. If you missed the video on how to install XLOOKUP, I've attached a link in which you can follow through so that you can understand how to use XLOOKUP. I mean how to download and install XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is better than index and match and even VLOOKUP, as you're going to see later on in the pros and cons of XLOOKUP. So the best way to understand it is by doing. So let's dive in and let's start writing the formula. So we first write equal signs like all formulas. XLOOKUP, we hit tab. The lookup value, it is a drill mode. Okay, the lookup array, where is it located? It's located in this column. We will hit Control Shift down and then F4 to make it absolute, comma. The return array, what are you looking for? It is located in which column? So total, we are looking at the total column. So Control Shift down, you hit F4 to make it absolute. Now there are other options like match mode and search mode in which you can use, but to run XLOOKUP you only require the three functions only. Okay, so we can close our brackets and hit enter to run it. You can see it is 68.37. Let's see, where is it? It's here. It is correct. So you can copy down the formula. Yes, it's working fine. Now let's explore other option. The other two options that I'd mentioned. Assuming you have only the surnames of the reps and you want to find their total, you don't have the first names. With the XLOOKUP, that is possible. So let's do it so that you can understand better. Write equals XLOOKUP, hit tab, lookup. Since we don't have the first name, we'll begin with the opening quotes, then you hit star, you close the quote, so that will stand for hypothetically the first name. Then you hit you write that symbol for and then what you're looking for. So you're looking for this. Okay, lookup array. Lookup array is supposed to be located here. Control Shift down, hit F4. Okay, and then the return value, it is the total. It's located here. Control Shift down. Then you hit F4. Okay, now for search mode, for exact match it is 0. By default, if you stop at the third argument, it will be exact match, which is 0. There is a -1, which will return exact match, but the exact match or less, or a lesser number. There is 1, which will return an exact match or lesser or a larger number, and there is now 2, which is a wildcard in which we are going to use here. So I will hit 2. Okay, there are more options. You can search from first to last, or you can search from last to first. For me, I choose option 1 to search from first to last. You close your brackets and you run the formula. Let's see, it has given us that 139 and remains 739, and we only had the first name, I mean the last name, and you have gotten the total for and remains. So you can copy down the formula, double click, yes, and you have. There's another option in which maybe you are not sure if it is a Brian with the I or a Y. So here also you can use the wildcard option, and let's try it and see if it works. Let's look up. Okay, look up our value. I'm looking for this. Okay, lookup array. It is here. Control Shift down. hit F4. Okay, the return array, we want it to return the total. Control Shift down and then F4. Okay, now for search mode, it is a wildcard, and you want it to search from first to last. Close the bracket, you hit enter, and say it has given you for Brand Smith, this is that one. Okay, so that's how you'll use a wild. As you can see, the wildcard, it is very simple to use. It is a no biggie. So here we have been using XLOOKUP in a vertical way. Now let us use it in a horizontal way and see if it works still. So equals XLOOKUP, hit tab, the lookup value that you're looking at this one, comma. Okay, and the lookup array right now, it is a row. So we are going to hit Control Shift and hit the arrow, the left arrow, and and you make it absolute by hitting F4, comma. The return value you're looking for wet side. So you click on this cell, Control Shift, right arrow again, hit F4, and you can close your brackets. You run the formula. So you have 19.96. That is mount. Look for mount. Yes, what side? See. So that is a XLOOKUP in a nutshell. It is much deeper, but I just wanted to make you this short video so that you can use it in your day-to-day operations. One of the drawbacks of XLOOKUP is that, as you can see, you have to install it as an add-in. It is only available in Office 365, in which majority of us cannot afford. And also, if you send a file that has XLOOKUP to someone who doesn't have XLOOKUP, he's going to have problems with that data. So those are the cons. And also, it cannot do 2D. It cannot look at data in a 2D way like index and match as we saw in the earlier video. So those were the main drawbacks of XLOOKUP. Among the cons, the pros now, the good side of XLOOKUP is that it is simple. As you can see, index and match, we are combining two formulas to look for something, but with XLOOKUP, you just need it alone and you can use it. And also, the formula does not break, unlike the VLOOKUP. When you add a column or delete a column or a row, it does not break. So those are the cons and the pros in a nutshell. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that when I upload another video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a blessed day.